Start introducing yourself.
Yes, myself Gyanagnihotrica, and I am English language teacher. And basically, I am government English teacher. And on top of that, I also teach students from online spoken English classes.
Yes, yes. So you have given your good introduction while you can say, but I think you know very well about me. I think I don't need to introduce myself also, right? Because you know very
Yes,
well.
yes, actually, I know about you you very well. You are a viral boy, and
Oh,
I have in social media you are actually famous. So
oh. Really, I'm famous on social media. So how did you come to know?
actually, I get to know about you about once I was watching a video about your video, some conversation in your
Oh,
video.
so I'm getting famous on YouTube, according to me also. And many
Yes,
people said me this thing. Yes, before a while, I was talking with one person, was from Bihar, you can say. He was also telling that you are going to be popular on YouTube nowadays. Like this, I come to know about, I came to know. Then I decided to connect with you. As you had said that, please search English with Jadu on Skype. By creating account on Skype, then you can get me like this. So like this, he was saying, and he called me like this by getting to know about my Skype ID name, you can say. Then he called me and we took session before a while. Yes.
okay, well. So now I have a question to you. What is the secret of your viral? Because you get viral in internet. What is the secret behind your so much success in YouTube?
Actually, in the beginning time, so far English related channel I opened two channel. Yes, two channel I had opened on YouTube, which was related to English, you can say. And two channel didn't get viral on YouTube, but this one is another, you can say, like I opened after that, and then I was thinking that I will get success, and I started this one YouTube channel in month of 2023 in December month. You can I know October, 15 October I think. So then first time, like which video I was to make first, firstly you can say, like actually for uploading to let all the people know about me, introduction you can say. So in that video I made one introduction video. Yes, I think in outside, like as I'm working like this, I made one video. So I think people started knowing about me that Jadu makes video in outside. And so far that time no one was making these kinds of video. Even people were making also conversation video by sitting at one place, you can say. But I was making video while walking, you can say, while showing trees, everything. While as people are blogging, you can say. People are blogging, they are talking, you can say like this. I started, I think that's why people supported me. And I think it is magic also of my name, you can say, Jadu. Very amazing, I think.
Yes, actually, so still I don't know about your real name. What is your real name?
My real name is Jadu. Yes, Jadu is my real
Well,
name. It means magic.
okay, so can you share me about your English learning journey? How you learned English?
Actually, of English journey, you can see if I'll tell you, I started this journey from the 7th class. Yes, from 7th class I started, you can say, but I think at that day, when I got the admission in 7th class, in the beginning time of 7th class, you can say, I was unable to speak English language. But when it was coming to understand, you can say, I was understand English language very well also at that day, but little bit. And that time, when I was in 7th class, you can say, just I had got the admission. So that time, just reading, understanding little bit, you can say. And, I was reading English well. My reading skills was well at that time also. But after I think 6 months around, by getting admission in 7th class, in month of August. In month of August, I think in 2022 around, you can say. Yes, like this. So that time, one teacher, new teacher of English, you can say he had come to my class, school, you can say, school. He is from South India. He is South Indian, and very well South Indian, have good knowledge, you can say. Like they know English very well, they can speak. So he had come so suddenly, and he started teaching students of 8th class about English. But when he started teaching student of 8th class about English, but he was not coming to our class to teach, because that time I was in 7th class, and that time my friend Ajay was in 8th class. So he was taught by him English language many times, you can say. But one day he got chance to come to my class also, and that was Saturday day, you can say, activities time. Or most of the students had come outside to do activities, but that time as many students of my class, they were inside the class, you can say, and they were waiting for going outside. So suddenly in between he came my class, and he taught us tenses, you can say. He taught us tenses, you can say. Then he taught us, taught one thing, that if you all will learn tense, then you all can speak English language. English is learned by tenses. First of all, everyone start learning, tenses. Then they can speak English language. Like first of all, you need to learn tense rule, you can say, like this was telling. So then I got idea, why not, I have dreaming to learn English language, so I should search, I should get information about tenses more. So after getting holiday in the school, after taking time off in the school, then I came my home, search about tenses completely on YouTube. Then I watch a lot of video, but in one day, very well we can't know about tenses beginning time, you can say, like suppose in beginner level, you can say, but I think after 30 days I could learn tense. Yes. Then I decided, how will I speak English language? He was telling that by learning only tense you can speak English language. So I came to know that when I search again on YouTube, can I speak English language by learning only tense? Then I was told, no, you can't speak. Also on Google, I search, you can say. And I search, that time, I search in Hindi. Because, I was unable to speak also Hindi. Even I couldn't search in English. English बोलने सीखने के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Like this, I search on YouTube, you can say. Then I got one video in English connection. She told about all grammar, preposition, conjunction. You have to learn this all. Then you can speak English language, like this. She told. So then I started learning that all gradually. You can say one by one. First of all, I learned tense, then verbs, you can say, and model verbs, like this I started. Then in end of like, now currently I'm learning advanced type of English. That like this I started, you can say. And now after that, after learning, some grammar, you can say, after learning only tense and verbs, then I had started making sentence also. And then I also started finding way. But that time, I was going to the forest for improving my English language, because at home, people are making fun of me. They were listening, even they are not understanding. And if someone will not understand your language, suppose he's not educated person, he will, like blabber about your English, that don't speak this language, I don't understand. Like this, they were saying me. So I decided, I should get away from them while practicing. So I used to go to the forest, you can say. Then I decided I'm unable to improve my English language all the same. So then I decided to practice at home. But before also practicing at home, I started talking with my family in English language. And one problem was happening, you can say. When I was speaking with my family, you can say, they are not educated more, you can say. Even my father educated, in my family, you can say, but he knows little bit English. Read English, he can read English, but he can't speak English language. Yes. But my mother, my grandmother, father, you can say, and sisters, brothers, they were unable to speak English language. But nowadays they also learn English language little bit, you can say. But what happens, I was, suppose I have to ask for food. So while asking for food also, water also, please give me, like I was saying, you can say, I was saying like this. And they were getting angry at me. Jadu, don't speak English here, it will not work out here, we don't understand here. Also my father was making fun of me. Why are you taking your time to speak all the time English with us, like this? Even neighbor also, they were saying me this thing, you can say. And they were, like making fun of me. Even a lot of people were told about this thing, Jadu is going to be British. Yes, Angrez ban raha hai. Like this, they were saying, you can say. Then I started finding way mirror technique. From one channel, Dihati madam, you can say. She told you should use mirror technique. I also became fluent by using mirror technique, like this. So I decided, if Dihati madam can become fluent in English by using mirror technique, why not I should also use? Then I started using by taking topic. And every day I started practicing, you can say. But I was unable to improve my English language, because I was unable to improve my pronunciation. Still I'm working on it, you can say. Like by learning only English, that is not enough, you can say. You also need to learn pronunciation. I think that is very, I think, necessary for us nowadays while giving interview, you can say. Otherwise, who knows more English, he will not understand what you are saying. You will pronounce com, like, like com, I'm coming, like this. Many people I heard, you can say, like this they are saying. So also on this I started working. So for this I started using mobile camera by taking topic, like this. I improved my English, and nowadays I'm talking with people on Skype. And gradually also I'm learning advanced type of words, meaning, and vocabulary, you can say, nowadays. Yes.
Yes, it's a great, very funny and very interesting story. Now I would like to know about your YouTube journey and YouTube story, because and how much time you are giving to YouTube, and what is about your YouTube journey.
Yes. First of all, I want to tell about making video. Yes, for uploading, I think 30 minutes video is enough for conversation, you can say, if you have conversation channel. So first of all, to talk with people, I take 30 minutes as I'm talking with you, like this, you can say. And for uploading, for editing, it takes around 10-12 minutes around, you can say. 10-12 minutes around it takes, you can say, edit video. Because I use a lot of thing, you can say, like Remini application, a lot of application I'm using, you can say. Many applications. That's why I want to make HD thumbnail, full HD thumbnail. But I think most of the, if you will ask other person, how can I make HD thumbnail? no one will tell you that in Mumbai you can make HD thumbnail. They will tell you about computer. In computer you can make full HD, ultra HD you can say. But also in Mumbai you can make, but you need to use a lot of application. Particular application you need to use. First of all, you have to make any thumbnail in Pixel Lab. After downloading that thumbnail from Pixel Lab, again you have to go on Mint application. There you have to upload that thumbnail again, and then you have to download. Again you have to go on Remini. Like this, in different type of application I'm going. You can say I'm visiting. Then I edit my thumbnail for making HD. You can say like this I edit. So and for editing video only, it takes around I think 20 minutes. You can say. You can say for uploading completely doing about YouTube, for uploading video, making thumbnail, putting on thumbnail, it takes half an hour, hour. You can say like 30 minutes around mostly. Yes. Yes.
It's actually YouTube is an amazing platform where you can connect people like this, and you get to know about lots of knowledge.
Yes. Actually, I edit video at night. You can say, suppose I have to upload tomorrow. Yes. Which video I have to upload tomorrow? That video at 2 p.m. at night, I will get up, you can say, for a while, for editing only video. Then I will ready my video by editing. Then in morning, suddenly I will post. I will upload. Like this I do. During the day, I'm not editing any video. At night mostly. Because that day I'm not doing anything. I'm getting free, like for 30 minutes I will getting up. I will get up and then I will edit. Like this I do. Yes.
Yes, actually the YouTube. Now the next question is about the earning from YouTube. You're also able to make money from YouTube.
Yes. I make money also. Yes.
Yes. So in every single month, how much you're able to make money?
Nowadays, around you can say 99, around like 100. I can buy a smartphone under 7,000 around. You can say 7,000-8,000. I'm earning in 1 month. Yes.
Yeah,
I'm making
yes,
home money. You can
yes,
say
yes.
like I'm giving some money to parents. Yes.
Yes, it's great. Now I have a question to you. So can you tell me about more about your life in your village, and what is the difference you are feeling in your village and nearby any town or city in your area?
Actually, very well village area about, like about village, that most of the people are wicked in English. Even they, and as I told you, that people were making fun of me. That's why they were making fun of me, because they don't know the value of English language. They don't know the value of English language. For one side, you can say, even they are not educated. And if you will speak English language, they will think that which language is this. Like unpart person, you can say, they will think that which language is this. They will think like this. So same thing also with me happening, you can see in my village. So then people started understanding. So when I got viral, yes, they understood Jadu was doing for this thing, for getting viral. That's why Jadu could get viral, because they are remembering that day when we were making fun of Jadu when he was going to the forest. So now he became famous on YouTube due to learn this language. And they are also doing, they are also taking after me to learn this language. You can say they are also thinking to learn this language, because they came to know English language is very powerful. Even people are getting viral like this, they also thought, you can say. And many people got viral also. Yes, from Jharkhand, within 2 months they got 2-3 thousand subscribers by getting motivation through me. And you can think about Sweta English lifestyle YouTube channel. She got 4,000 subscribers within 2 months, you can say, around. When she took one session with me, around 88,000 people watched that video within 1 month. Yes, like this.
Yes, actually, you are a viral boy, and that is making a huge difference on on the viewership of any new channel. Now,
Yes.
actually, I would like to ask you one thing, because I am a trainer. So, first thing that you need to speak a little bit slow, and second thing that speak in chunks to speak more clear and more powerful. Speak in chunk and take pause. Once you are completing one sentence, take pause and then start another fresh sentence. That will make your English speaking more powerful, more better. Good idea.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now, if you
Actually,
have any questions, so please yes ask. Then I will also reply.
I think video is getting long, so we will wrap up. One person is calling again and again. I think his name is Himanshu Rana, like this. He's calling me. He's trying to call me for a long time, you can say. So I think he also wants to take session. A lot of people send me message, around 15 people, and to whom I will give time, you can say. I like get busy all the time like this. To whom I will give, to whom, and all the time they keep on sending message also, you can say.
Actually, I am telling you one thing, that you can also turn your this idea, because you are a viral boy. And
Yes.
if you are interested, you want to just make your viral things to monetize. You can make money of your due to your subscriber, because you are a demandable person, right? So you need to learn to create courses. You need to learn to monetize your time with your English knowledge, and you can do it.
Yes, yes, easily can be done, you can say nowadays. Because in my area, like I told you, that people are not educated even, and there is, English language, you can say, very important. Yes, for villagers, you can say, like they can't get admission in English medium. Yes, right. They can't get admission in English medium. They can't, get the admission in any institute to learn this language, and they don't know how to use mobile. Also, nowadays about people that they are using mobile in bad way. So I need to teach them English language, and many people also said me, Jadu, English. Why are not teaching a student of your village? You need to teach also a student of your village. Many people are getting motivation. Also, child are getting motivation. But they are not taking English seriously. And when they watch my conversation video, but many children, like who is in same age, they also came to my home, said me, Jadu, I watch your video. I watch your video. But they didn't even say one thing, that I got motivation through you. Just they told me that I watch you make very good video. But they are not telling that, like, I got motivation. I also have to learn English language like this. Otherwise, I'm getting happy, you can say, when they say this thing. Just they're saying that I watch your video. I watch your video. If you're watching, so get motivation through me also. What I'm doing, you should also do same thing. You should also speak English language like this. They're not taking one. My friend came in morning time to my home, you can say. Suddenly he, lied down, you can say, and he said me, Jadu, I watch your video. And he has Geo Mobile. Yes, he has Geo Mobile. He watched my video on Geo Mobile. So he said me, yes, I watch your video, but he didn't say me that I got motivation through you. So they should get motivation also through, like other YouTuber, like whatever that. If they are telling about good thing, like motivation is very good thing, you can say. Like I also became fluent in English by getting motivation, you can say. Like I also motivate a lot of students also by going many institute in Jharkhand, you can say. I was invited many institute by the teacher, you can say, and I went there many time and gave motivation to students, gave speech, you can say, for them. But I didn't even feel any nervous there. I didn't even feel, you can say, even girls were also there, you can say, taking selfie with me. Yes, in month of April I had gone. Yes.
Yes, it's a great. Your journey is absolutely amazing, and you are very enthusiastic and very interesting person. So actually, my point is that the lots of the English learner, the enthusiastic learner, they would like to speak with you, talk with you in Skype. So you can charge a fees on Skype to talking with you, and you can make your life more better. You can create a course. You can charge 100, 200 rupees per session on the Skype. People who are just willing to join with you in Skype. So this is the way. So you can just make other people also interesting. What you would like
Yes.
to say?
Oh, they will give money also if I'll try to, like do this kind of thing. So they can do, because they want to take session with me. And but I think now I shouldn't do. But after some time, when I will complete around 6,000, and then I will start this kind of thing. They will think that when I will complete around that my subscriber, they will think that Jadu became nowadays famous, and he will not talk. We need to give money, you can say. Yes,
Yes, sir,
like.
it's a great, very interesting session. Yes, if you have any question with me, so you can also ask. Then we will wrap up this session.
Think we will wrap up this session, and he was trying to call me, and I think I don't have to talk with him, because I think it's duckened, you can say. It has duckened now. Raat ho gaya hai. So tomorrow I will say him in morning time, we will talk. Many people were given time by me, you can say. One person was given time at 7 a.m. and one person at 10 a.m. You can say a lot of people are sending message like this. So I think this thing is good, we are improving our English also, right? We are improving. So that's why I'm giving them, and I don't want that they should be depressed, you can say, like, I didn't take session, he didn't give me time, he didn't reply me, like this. I don't like. That's why I keep on reply them also, you can say. I keep on, sending them message also back, that if you have send me message that I want to talk with you, so I will give you time. Suppose I can give you time after 2 days, 3 days. So in the day you should be ready, like this I said them, you can say, sometime. Yes. Yes. So I think it's getting long, so we will end it. Yes.
Yes, sure. Okay, it's a very interesting session. Good luck. Okay.